Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can block videos on YouTube Kids. To block videos on YouTube Kids, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your device. Now browse through for the video that you want to block. You can also search for the video using the search box. At the bottom of the screen, write down the name of the video you are trying to block. And once you find the video, simply tap on the three dots right underneath the video preview. You will then be able to see block this video option in the pop-up at the bottom. Simply tap on that. Now, in order to confirm the block, you will need to go ahead and enter your passcode or solve a simple math problem. After you do that, the video that you've selected will be blocked. You'll receive a message that the video is blocked and the video will no longer appear on the profile. And there you have it. Now you know how to block videos and channels on YouTube Kids to make sure your child is only seeing the content you approve of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.